This cinematic title intro template will work with Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the motion graphics template. Here the template is installed. Place template on the timeline. Change title text from here. Change font here. Change title position and scale here. Change tagline here. Tagline position and scale can be changed from here. Change intro color from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.